Headline: Wall Street loves selling crypto treasury stocks. Published at 12:38 p.m. June 16, 2025. Over the last quarter, Wall Street brokers figured out how to sell expensive crypto-backed equities, and investors' appetite for new ticker symbols is ravenous. Observing the success of MicroStrategy's persistent, multi-billion-dollar premium to its Bitcoin, BTC, holdings, a cornucopia of companies boasting about their BTC and altcoin treasuries have spawned onto stock markets across the globe. 6 months ago, there were less than 70 public companies holding BTC. Today, there are over 130. In addition, there are now various altcoin treasury companies holding Ether, Solana, XRP, and other assets. Booming market for publicly listed crypto treasuries. Consider Tether and Bitfinex's version of MicroStrategy, 21 CEP, which rallied to over 300% the value of its BTC within 1 day of its debut on public markets. Other publicly traded crypto treasury companies have performed even better. UpXE rallied above a 4x multiple to net asset value, MNAV, after it announced its Solana, SOL treasury. Another public company, SOL Strategies, rallied above an 8x MNAV. Some foreign and microcap companies have attained even more breathless valuations. Even Circle, CRCL, which issues a stablecoin designed to never increase in value, priced its IPO at $31, yet rallied to $138 within 3 trading sessions. Obviously, the prospect of buying crypto and immediately selling stock tied to that same purchase, overvalued, of course, by a lavish multiple, has transfixed Wall Street dealmakers. Bury the fine print mergers often involve lengthy regulatory filings describing a labyrinth of bonds, warrants, options, preferreds, pipes, restricted series, or other securities that temporarily obscure the relationship between the company's market cap and its crypto holdings. Kindly MD, for example, opened at $28.51 after it announced a BTC treasury but halved to $13.69 less than 6 hours later as investors processed its lengthy 8K and 424B3 filings. After 2 more days of long-form reading, its shares had dipped below $8. For a moment, at the peak of its valuation, Kindly's MNIV exceeded 23 times. Scammers eye the crypto treasury market. Amid this environment of seemingly easy money, grifters have entered the sector alongside legitimate operators. Microcap companies have announced plans to acquire mountains of crypto assets, often more than they possess in market capitalization, simply to enjoy a headline-induced, momentary price jump. VanEck's head of digital assets used a plain name for many of these promotions: pump and dump. If the market cap is de minimis, and there is no disclosure of new anchor investors, he said, I assume it's a scam. In short, Wall Street's embrace of crypto-backed equities has fueled a speculative frenzy. Unprecedented opportunities and heightened risks of market manipulation are new features of the publicly traded treasuries of BTC and large altcoins. This recording is AI-generated. Get more crypto news at protos.com.